What's up guys, time to fold here. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to fold this Origami 2-dimensional flasher. And it works like this. Oops. So yeah, the difficulty for this model is low intermediate, so it's harder than easy, but it's easier than intermediate. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to fold it, then let's continue. Alright, so for this model, I'm going to use 6-inch square kami. Begin white side up, and we're gonna divide it into thirds, so fold this flap in front, and this flap behind. And then fiddle with the fold so both of the edges line up together nicely, like that. And pinch. Now fold up to that pinch mark. Unfold, rotate, and fold to the crease that you just made. And unfold. And now, we're going to fold this corner up to here, and we're going to pinch, and we're going to rotate, and fold up to that pinch mark that you just made. Unfold, and fold to the crease that you just made. And unfold. Now let's fold in half. Unfold. And fold to the first crease. And unfold. And repeat. And unfold. Now, fold in half. Unfold, and fold up to that first crease. And unfold, and repeat. And unfold. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold up to this point, and we're going to crease from here over one. So it's gonna be this square and then that square. Like that. I creased a little farther, but I don't care. Alright, now rotate and do that again. And unfold. And now turn over, and we're going to fold up, but instead of folding over here, we're going to fold from here over. And unfold. And repeat. And crease. And now what we're gonna do right here is, so we have a square right here, and we have these edges going out. We're going to reverse those. So this one right here is a mountain fold. We're gonna turn that into a valley fold. Like that. And right over here. And then turn this into a mountain fold. And this into a mountain fold. So it should be like this. Okay, so it's gonna be, this crease right here is going to be a mountain fold. And then you're going to push that in like that. And then do the same thing right here. And then come down right here, and it's going to go up like this. So on the other side, this part is going to be going down. There's not going to be a crease right here though. So it should look like this. And on the other side, it should be like this. I'm just going to push it in. So it will probably end up like this, but then you're going to keep pushing it in. So then these flaps are going to end up on top. So it's going to be like that. Really what you want to do is bring these two edges together. So push it in, and then you brought them together, and now go over here and you're going to bring these two edges together. So we're just going to, so it's not really, you're just going to squash it like that. And this is the best that I can teach you how to do it. I hope you guys were able to fold along, but after you've done that, you have created the two-dimensional flasher. This was kind of a sloppy version of what it should look like, but I don't really care. You're just going to flatten it and then open it up. And this part, if you want it to flash better, this part should be up like that whenever you're there. So just fold it like that, and then it will do it much better. There we go. Alright, I hope you guys were able to fold that. This was a terrible tutorial. I don't want to mess up the ending like I did the last two videos. So, yeah. If you guys want to watch another video, then click right there. If you want to check out my other channel, click right there. And if you guys don't want to miss another video, then I recommend you subscribe. And if you guys have any questions for me, comment down below if you guys have any questions for me. And if you want to get featured on my channel, then all you have to do is invent your own original model, then make a tutorial for it, and tag me at Time to Fold in the description or the name, and then I'll watch the video, and then I'll teach it on here, but I'll make sure to give you the credit, and I'll leave the link to your channel and that tutorial down in the comments and the description. So yeah, that's how to get featured on my channel. Nobody else has actually done it yet, so just as an incentive for you guys to start doing that, I will subscribe to the first person who does it. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. I shouldn't have done that.